If you want instant results, try this now. This is pure manifestation magic. There's a powerful way to shift your energy and call in what you desire instantly. It's called SwitchWords. And when combined with cannabis energy work, it creates a rapid shift in your vibration. Think of SwitchWords as verbal codes that rewire your subconscious to attract what you want effortlessly. Just like flipping a light switch instantly turns on a room, SwitchWords activate your manifestation power in seconds. When you combine cannabis with SwitchWords, your mind enters a deeply receptive state where resistance fades and manifestation flows effortlessly. The SwitchWord that we're activating today is magnet, divine, now. Magnet pulls in your desires effortlessly, like an energetic force of attraction. Divine aligns your manifestation with perfect universal timing. And now activates instant energy shifting, accelerating results. Together, this sequence makes you an unstoppable magnet for rapid manifestation. So here's how to activate it. Take a deep inhale of your cannabis or edible. As you exhale, say or think, magnet, divine, now. Feel the words sinking into your subconscious. Repeat this 21 times at your pace, allowing each breath that you take to pull your desires even closer to you. Close your eyes and visualize what you desire as if it's already yours, because it is. The very first time that I tried this, a random payment landed in my account within an hour, completely unexpected. The combination of breath, intention, and plant medicine amplifies your energy field, making manifestation almost instantaneous. What is the first thing that you would like to manifest? Drop it in the comments and let's make this happen. Also, try this later on and come back and share what you've manifested. And if you're ready to receive instantly, type "I receive" in the comments and let's create some magic together. Thank you for relaxing with the Spellbound Seductress. Type "I receive" if you're ready to manifest instantly.